Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus with the Dreame L10s Ultra and what are the things that are different. Now, when we get a look here on the suction power, we can see clearly here the Dreame L10s Ultra is way stronger, like 1300 PA, crazy higher suction. Then you're gonna have battery life. The Dreame got also better battery life. The navigation for S10 Plus, you have 360 laser navigation, but with the Dreame L10 Ultra, you have AI powered with 3D mapping. And you know, in the moment when you're gonna write AI to the like navigation to AI, you're gonna label to whatever you want. That means it's going to be better. Therefore, it's better. I had no idea like what are the real differences between those two because it's just a comparison. But you know, the mopping system, you're gonna have intelligent control with just the water levels, but you can have dual rotary mops with self-cleaning and drying, which is like interesting. So this is better. Then you're gonna have the app control, customizable cleaning schedules, virtual walls, multi-floor mapping. But with the Dreame L10s Ultra, you're gonna have comprehensive customization, remove video control. So the remove video control and also comprehensive customization can be like also better, but it really depends what are your preferences and needs. Then dustbin capacity is better for Xiaomi. Water tank capacity is better for the Dreame. Then the noise level is better for Xiaomi. You can have up to like 4 only, but it's not much. And it's a little bit lighter the Dreame. So that's pretty much it. Now when we can look here on this, now we can clearly see that the Dreame is just better in most of the cases here. Yes, the dustbin capacity is not that high, but water capacity and also the suction power, battery life, navigation, mopping system, app control, all of that is also cool. But again, what I encourage you to do, listen to your own intuition. Like I have good experience with Xiaomi. And to be honest, after my good experience with Xiaomi, I would go with the Xiaomi. And even whatever is everybody saying, I really like Xiaomi, so I would buy it. But again, that I have this vacuum cleaner that is working for like 2 years really well. Yes, it cost me $300, but it's working really well even to this day. Therefore, I'm like, yeah, it's a good product. But if you feel that Dreame is good for you, go for Dreame. You know, don't let your dreams be dreams. Buy Dreame. So, yeah, thank you very much for watching and hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value. Goodbye.